Hello, guys and girls. I hope you will good. And yeah, this was a Friday. This is a Friday today, and yeah, last week was amazing. It was insane. We have a lots of opportunities in the market, and yeah, if you have watched my previous videos, I was in a forecasting video. I was giving you some currency pairs in which you have to focus, and on that it was one pair of GBP USD. Let me show you GBP USD right now first. Let me talk about the previous video in which I was giving you some forecasting tips because it was a very important to share with you guys. So last video we was at that time. At that time, last video when I was shared you in my this channel. The video name is just a forecasting. So it was at that time, and I was told you that whenever the price, it was like in this structure, it was like in this structure, and I was told you that when the price will break this three touch structure, we do not have to worry to take shots on that. We will have to wait for any kind of confirmation, which is like a it breaks, we will take some flag entries and then it go down. But what happened into the market? I was told you that what can happen into I was talking about the possibility and the probability factor which work in this which worked in this particular pair. So what I was told you that because the price is moving into the top of the structure, we can see this as a ascending channel structure. There is a possibility. I was shared that there is a possibility once the price will break this, it come to the ascending channel structure, which is really happening into the market. So this is how I was. This is what I was told you in my last video. So now we are coming in a new video. I am getting lots of opportunities on market, so that's why I was forecasted some of the pairs, and that pairs I wanted to share with you. So you can see this. These are the top pairs. These are the main pairs I have selected for NZD GBP USD, NZD JPY, CAD JPY, and USD JPY. These are the top 5 pairs which I have selected for the week ahead. And if right now I'm going to share with you all of these 5 pairs, why I'm thinking to buy and sell on this. What is the price action? What is the psychology behind this? Everything. So just be continue with me. Watch this video till to the end so that you can understand the psychology and the price action part of the market also. So let's start with the same pairs, GPUSD. What I'm looking at GPUSD is that if you look at the higher time frame, let me move forward into the daily time frame structure. If you look at the daily time frame structure, you can see that there is a double top structure price is making, and price was taking reversal from that level. But because the price was moving in a higher time frame structure, it is moving into the ascending channel structure, which is working into the market. So what I'm looking for, I'm looking for that the price will move up to that level. Up to that level, I was thinking that the price will move up to that level and then it will move down. Most of the traders which I'm talking about, the new traders, when the new traders come into the market, they are thinking that once the price will break the resistance level, they are thinking this as a resistance. They are thinking this as a resistance, not as a any kind of double top structure and all. They are thinking this as a resistance, and they think that when the price will break this level, they will take support and it will move up. But it is not happening to the market all the time. Yep, whenever the price break any support and resistance level, it takes some correction and it moves to the opposite direction. But what happened in right now here? But the price action is telling you the true story, which what is indicating right from here. It is indicating that the price will move up because the price is moving into the ascending channel structure. It will move up because the price is moving into the ascending channel structure. Let me move into the 1 hourly time frame structure. You will get more insights in 1 hourly time frame structure. So let's move into this. If you look at this structure, this is a 1 hour time frame structure in which you are looking that the price is moving into the ascending channel structure, which is indicating us that the price will move up. So what is the right time to entry? If you look at this, this is our impulse move. This is a correction price is making right now. If you look at, let me just extract the price action and teach you over there. This is a bar study. I hope you know, because you are because if you are watching my videos from the very beginning, you understand why I use this price action bar candle study, because it is very easy to read price action over in this. So if you look at this, the price is moving into the ascending channel structure. You can see this. You can see this price is moving into the ascending channel structure, and within that ascending channel structure, price is also making some other structure, which is like this. Let me just change the color so that you can understand it easily. Yeah, you can see this price is moving into the ascending channel structure. Within that structure, price is moving into the impulse correction. You can consider this as an impulse move, and this is as a correction. And what we expect after the correction, we get continuation. So the price action structure indicating me that the price will have to move up, but what is the right time to entry? This is, you can see also the price break this and taking this correction over this time period. So what I'm looking for, if I will get, sorry, yeah, if I will get any kind of correction over here, so what I will consider, I will consider this as an impulse, as a correction, and after the break of the correction level, I will go for the up. This will be a first trade. This is a first trade I'm thinking for to trade for the upside. So as I told you that I'm not getting support and resistance as usual, because the price action is giving me an indication confirmation, so that I trade. So I just remove it. Now it is very clearly indicating it. You price action, sorry, support and resistance, just if you are a price action trader, support and resistance just hold you back for taking a good trades. So whenever you trade price action, make your trading plan and trade towards that. So what I'm looking for, now the price is clearly indicating that price will have to move up. So if the price, you can see this, if I'm thinking like this, yeah, this is also correct, this is also correct. Price have break the level, now it is taking correction. If you can see, this was a breakout, now it is taking correction at that level, which is indicating that yeah, price have a positive support or a bullish support. So let me move into the 15-minute time frame. Now this is a price action structure making, and I'm not getting any kind of price action breakout over there, so now I'm not thinking for the to get into this trade. But in a 4-hourly time frame structure, it is clearly indicating that it was an impulse move. In a 4-hourly time frame structure, it is clearly indicating that this is an impulse move, this is a correction, and after the correction, price will move to upside for the continuation. And what I will trade this after getting the breakout of this level, this particular structure which is becoming right now over here. If the price will break this kind of a structure, any kind of price action structure, so this will be understand as an impulse, this will be as a correction, and this will be as a continuation, because the price has break the trend line support level, trend line resistance level, and making correction at higher level. It means that price is moving into the impulse correction continuation, which is clearly indicating that price have to move up. So make sure go buy after the breakout, and at that level I will look for the short. There is a higher possibility that the price will move down up to that level. So I hope you understand the psychology behind it, why I'm thinking this, because the price action structure is clearly indicating that price is in a higher time frame, it is in a very sell zone, because the double top structure is an indication of the selling pressure. So I'm thinking that the price will move down from that level. So make sure make a right level enter at the right level when the price will break any kind of price action breakout over here. You can wait for this, as if the price is making right now over this. You can see this price is making this structure. So once the price will break this level, means once the price will break this level, then go for the long. You don't have to miss this trade. You have to have trade this for the long side. After getting the confirmation, after getting the breakout of the price action structure, and take very small stop loss after small stop loss below the below the price action structure, below the correction structure, and whenever you reach the target, exited at that level and wait for any kind of price action breakout over here for the downside. I will update you when through videos when it will reach up to that level and how we have to think for the sell setup. So do not worry about it. Just right now you have this opportunity, so do not miss to capitalize this opportunity. This is going to be an amazing opportunity to trade. So when the price will break this level, this correction structure, make sure when the price will break this correction structure, enter at that level for the upside target and the stop loss below the correction structure, the low of the correction structure. This will be going to amazing trade. So this is the first thing I have forecasted, and let's wait for the how the price action react. Let me move forward. Yeah, this is our NZT JPY, Kiwi JPY, Kiwi yen. You can say that this is a Kiwi yen. Let me move forward in a higher time frame so that you can understand the price action structure and the theory behind it, why I'm thinking this, and what is the psychology behind this. So if you look at this, this is a triple top structure. First, second, third. Price was moved from that level to the downside, but because the price was moving into the certain price action structure, which I will show you in a 4-hourly time frame or maybe in 1-hourly time frame. Yeah, in a 4-hourly time frame, it is clearly showing. Because the price is moving into the higher time frame structure, in a higher time frame structure, at the resistance level, price moved down from that level. From that level, price moved down. This was because of the higher time frame structure. But because in a small time frame structure, price making some other price action structure, which I was forecasted this year. I thought that the price was making this structure. And here the most of the traders trap. Most of the new traders think that when the price has break the resistance level, breaks the trend line resistance level, they think that the price have break. Now I have to go short, and they got stop loss at that level. This is a mistake traders do. Whenever the price break any kind of price action structure, make sure wait for the price action breakout to entry. If the price have break impulsively, if you can see that this was an impulse move, you have to wait for the correction at that level. After the correction, you have to go for the short. Price did not give any kind of price action breakout, which was indicating that the price will move down. I was also thought that when I will get the breakout, I will trade this for up to that level, because this is a psychology. There's a 99% possibility that whenever the price break any kind of channel structure, ascending channel or descending channel structure, there's a higher possibility that it will move down. But what I will get, I did not get entry. I did not get confirmation at that level, so I missed it. I did not trade this. But what happened? Price moved up. The reason behind it something else. Because the price is moving into the channel structure. Because you can see this right now. I'm going to make This is called the separation, pattern separation. Because first it was moving into the ascending channel structure, which was this. But right now it is moving into the. We can see that it is moving into the triple top structure, which was break. Although which was break, but this was giving me an indication that the price will have to move down, because the correlation also working into the market and ZT/USD also moving down. That's why I'm getting indication in this also. So what I'm thinking for this, I'm thinking is that the price will move down up to that. The reason behind it. Let me move forward into the 1-hourly time frame structure. This is a 1-hourly time frame structure, and you can see this impulse correction continuation. I thought that the price will move down from that level, but it break. I thought that the price will move down from that level, but it break because it has a reason. It has a solid reason. Because of the impulse move, price took some correction. This was an impulse. This was a correction. This was a continuation. That's why price did take the level and move up. But now it moved down. You can see this. It moved down completely. You can see this in a higher time frame structure. The price is making reversal structure. So how many kind of so what I'm thinking that the price can make any kind of reversal structure at that level, any kind of correction structure at that level, then it moved down. The second thing I'm thinking for this, it can make the double head and shoulder structure, then it will move down. So this level is very important. This is very high value level for the price, high value area, we can say that this is very high value area that that was indicating that the price will have to move down or up. It will continue pushing to upside or it will move down, because right now it is reversing the trend. That's why I'm looking for the downside but not getting confirmation. So this is what I have forecasted this. I have forecasted this, that if the price will break any kind of make any kind of price action structure, which is maybe a flag entry, so I will take short if I will get a confirmation. Or there is a possibility that if it move down massive, then I will wait for the confirmation at that level also, because it can be a head and shoulder structure now and then, and I will trade when the price will break neckline. So this is how this is how I have forecasted. So what do you have to think about it? Make sure this will also be a part of your top list, and wait for the right level of confirmation. If you look into the 15-minute time frame, in a 15-minute time frame, structure price also making some correction level. You can see this whole thing was not giving any kind of confirmation. Yeah, in 15-minute time frame, this is giving me some kind of indications. This is giving me some kind of indication. So wait for that level, maybe that the price will make this kind of structure, and once it will break, then you can go short from that level. Let me move forward. 1 hourly time frame structure, you can clearly see. Yeah, this can happen because you are not seeing any kind of level in a 1 hourly time frame. Yeah, but 15-minute time frame, there was any kind of trend line support level. That's why I'm thinking this. There's a possibility, higher possibility, that the price will make any kind of correction structure over here, and then it will move down. So I hope you understand this. First was a GPUSD, second was a NZD JPY. Let me move forward and the top third pairs, which is CAD JPY. CAD JPY was also amazing stuff. You can see clearly that the price is moving into the channel structure. Amazing stuff. Looking for the flag entry at that level. I'm looking for the flag entry. You should always have to look for the confirmation. This was very predicted that the price will move down, because of after the high impulse move. Whenever the price make any kind of impulse move in a market, there's a higher possibility that it will take some correction. So this is how I'm thinking for as a correction. I'm not getting any kind of price action breakout. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, you will not see any kind of breakout also. So this is what I'm thinking for it. I'm looking for any kind of price action breakout in a higher time frame structure, which is mainly 1 hourly time frame structure I'm looking for. So you can see clearly the price is moving into the ascending channel structure. First touch, second touch, second touch, first touch, second touch, and this was a third touch the price was making. Once it will move down, it will take correction, and it can move down further also. So what I'm thinking for this, I want any kind of price action breakout over here, and because the psychology is very important. Psychology point is very important. Psychology is that whenever the price make this kind of impulse move, you cannot treat this as a if it is moving, that you cannot treat this as a confirmation. This is a psychology part. Whenever the price make any kind of impulse move, it takes some time for correction. It takes some time for the correction. If it will have to move same direction, but because it is moving downside, I will wait for the confirmation, and you must have to wait for the confirmation too. So what you can think, you can wait for any kind of price action breakout, or in a 15-minute time frame structure, or a 1 hourly time frame structure. But I will prefer to you to use high value area, because it is sometimes in a smaller time frame it give a false breakout, and we get trapped on that. So when the price break any kind of price action structure over here, or a flag entry I'm looking for, do not miss this trade also. This is also looking for the downside. All the JPY pairs which has a second currency JPY, it is looking like for the short side. So this was a third pair. Let me move into the daily time frame structure, and yeah, you can see this in a daily time frame structure. First it was a expanding. Let me just give you a some little forecasting. Yeah, this was also amazing trade. I was get. It was, yeah, I was traded this. It was amazing trade. When the price was moving into the downward channel structure, I thought that this impulse move give me an indication towards the market that it will take some correction. After the impulse move, it takes some correction, then it will move up. And this was the first indication. The second indication I was getting this, yeah, this impulse. This was a correction. After the impulse move, this was a correction, and after the correction, it happened a continuation to the upside. So this was the first indication, and the second indication was that the price was moving. Price was break the trend line resistance also. So after the breakout, when I was bought at that level, yeah, when the price was close above this, I was bought at that level. So this is how you have to look for. You always have to look for the patterns which is working into the market, because pattern has a history. Pattern, you can backtest, you can forecast patterns and all, and you will get lots of value on that. So but you will always have to look for the high value area, which is like this. This is a high value area because of the price is at the top of the resistance level. You will always have to look for the you should look this as as for the short sides, but wait for the confirmation to enter into the market. Because sometime what happened, you are thinking that the price will move down, yeah, I'm thinking too, but what happened to the market, it will move up for taking the retesting at that level. Suppose what happened if the price will move up, retest that level, and then again it will move down. So wait for the confirmation. If you get any kind of confirmation just like this, I am assuming that just like this, you will get, you will have to keep very small stop loss, and the position is also work as a well into the market. If you are trading, if you have to trade like this, if you are thinking that you wanted to be in this right now, so you have to keep stop loss at the high, above the high. But this will be a very high stop loss, and the high stop loss, because we are trading for very small profit, and the stop loss will be high. That's why I'm looking for the risk management part is also very important. So make sure, wait for the price action breakout, wait for the correction. If there is a possibility for the retest, it will move up, then it will take some correction, then it will move down. Wait for the right level of entry. So this was a third pick which I'm thinking for. First was NZD GPUC, second was NZD JPY, third was CAD JPY, and the fourth was is also best. Yeah, USD JPY. USD JPY is making a reversal structure. USD JPY, maybe that the price will give us confirmation today to trade, so we can hold the position. If you look at the USD JPY, the price is moving into the ascending channel structure. You can say that this is a channel. This is not a because ascending channel is moving is made like this. So yeah, this is a channel structure, and the price is giving us indication towards the market. The price giving us giving me indication that yeah, it will move down, because the price is moving at the top of the channel. Let we have to wait for some time. But if you look at the 15-minute time frame or a RA time frame structure, the price is giving us indication. It is making the reversal structure. Whenever the price make any kind of a structure at the top or at the bottom, make sure word that structure as a reversal structure, because it can be a reversal for the price action. It can be a reversal for the price of the particular currency pair. So make sure, give us a name as a reversal structure. It can happen that the price can move up, make a new high, because the price giving us indication that yeah, it can move up, because the price is moving into the ascending channel structure. This is a 15-minute time frame, so you need not have to worry about it. This is a 15-minute time frame, and the price is give us an indication that it will move up, make a third touch, first touch, second touch, third touch. This was also, and so what I'm looking for right now, I'm looking for that when the price will break this reversal structure, suppose it will move up, it will move down, then from the top, it will take some correction over here, and after the correction, it will move down. So I will get enter into this trade after the breakout. After the breakout of the ascending channel, I will get into this trade for the downside, for the massive downside. Let me move into the higher time frame structure, higher value structure. Yeah, not get trapped after breaking the 1 hour time frame structure. Wait for the at least 15-hour time frame structure. Wait for at least 1 hour time frame structure, because of the price is making this structure in a higher time frame. So wait for the confirmation in a higher time frame. It will give you a more possibility to win this. So wait for the any kind of price action breakout. After the breakout, this reversal, after the price break this reversal, make sure enter and keep your first target at that level, because it was a massive move happened from that level. Make sure to keep your stop loss above the resistance level, the correction level which price will meet at that level. Keep the resistance at the higher of that level. So it is like that. So I hope you love this. These are the 4 things you have to looking for. You have to look for. Yeah, I have a 5 things, but I'm not looking as much as I'm looking for the top 4. So that's why I'm not going to discuss on those. But yeah, these are the top 4 pairs which you have to look for. Let me just do a quick recap for you. This is first USD CAD, sorry, USD JPY. This first dollar yen. Dollar yen is looking for the short. Wait for the right level to entry, because the price is moving into the channel structure. It is looking for the short side. And this was the second pairs, which is uh, CAD-yen. This is a CAD-yen, which is also moving into the channel structure. And right now the price is at the top of the structure. Wait for the any kind of price action breakout or a flag entry. After the getting the breakout of that level, get into this and wait for the target. This was second. This was third. This was third. Yen, Kiwi yen. The structure is awesome, very awesome. Wait for the right level of entry. The price is moving into the downside, but I'm looking for the falcon, means any kind of price action breakout, so that I can get into this trade at the right level and with a very small stop loss. So this is a third thing which I'm looking for. And the fourth thing, and one of the best thing I'm looking for, is GBP USD, which I'm looking for right now for the upside. But from the top, I will look for the short. The massive short is going to happen in GPUSD. There's a higher possibility I'm looking for. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this forecasting my forecasting video. Actually, this was a my forecasting. I will not teach you how to forecast in that. Yeah, this was a my forecasting video, and I hope you like this video. And if you really like this, like, subscribe my channel, and share my videos to your trading community and your friend with who are trading. And yeah, it should be a great journey. Hope you like this. Thank you.